What's up, guys? Welcome to another day in the life video. So today is the 10th of June 2026. As you guys know, the 10th of June is my birthday, so this is my 21st birthday. So yeah, guys, I'll be vlogging today. I'll be taking you guys with me, spend my birthday with me. I didn't plan anything big, honestly, so yeah, just gonna be a normal day, plus it's during the week. So yeah, it's gonna be productive, and yeah, I'll try to see what I can do to celebrate my birthday as well. So make sure stay tuned, click that like button and subscribe as well. Guys, like I said, guys, it's gonna be a normal day for me. So since now it's around like 8:30 in the morning, I just want to make some coffee, then hop on the charts, because at 9 I have like a live trading session with my community. So just want to prepare for that, and I'm still undecided whether I should trade or not. I don't like to trade on my birthdays, honestly, because you don't know what the market has for you. Imagine taking a loss on your birthday, understand? So for the past years, I was not trading on my birthday, so I'll see if I have a nice opportunity, a nice setup, then I might hop on a trade. But if I have a like indecision setup, that's when I'll just stay out of the market for today, because I don't want the stress of holding trades, things like that. So yeah, without wasting time, let me just go make some coffee, then hop on the charts. I'll see you guys now. So now I'm about to have a live trading session with the community. So this one will be a free live trading session for everyone. It's not gonna be limited to the inner circle members, so everyone will have access to this. Without wasting time, let me hop, because I wanna hop on a sound now. Let me start the live trading session now. So you can start with gold, or use this to try either. Let's start with gold. So you already have an idea of what you're expecting on gold. Like I said, you're expecting the sells on gold from the AI market scan, right? So let's start. So I'm just gonna put my line today midnight on the 10th of June. So I already know where the market is heading, right? I already have the possible targets as well, the take profits. So I'll just go ahead and put those take profits on my chart as well. Just go ahead and put the take profits on my chart. So this is my take profit 1, target 1. Then we also have, I can put target 2 as well. But even if like you only use target 1, it's okay. But let me just put target 2 as well. So we have the second target. So that's our last take profit, right? Target 2. So we already have an idea of what to expect. So now our job is to look for an entry. So if you take your zone, you'll be able to see that there is a resistance level here. Or you can even call it an order block if you're using SMC. But for price action, yeah, there's more like a resistance level here. So we also have another downtrend resistance in a way. If you simply take your trend line there. So we have 2 resistance levels in a way. So we're gonna use these zones or these levels to look for our sales opportunities. And if you check, we already got confirmation from our candlesticks. If you check these 3 candlesticks, they are forming an evening star. Is it evening star or morning star? Between the two, I always confuse the two, but I think it's evening star. So yeah, it's confirmed using evening star, which can simply use that as our confirmation for the sales. Like I said, guys, I want to execute my trade. You guys can execute trades as well right away. So we got our confirmation already. Then yeah, we can execute our sales on gold, and then stop loss just above that resistance level, and take profit all the way to the target 1 that we got from the air market scan. But guys, before you execute your trade, just want to make this clear, this is not a financial advice. This is just pure educational purposes. So I'm not giving you guys any financial advice, and I'm not responsible for the outcome. If you take a loss, if you make profit, I'm not responsible for that. You're taking this trade at your own risk. As you know, trading involves risk. I just wanted to make that clear. So this is the trade that I'm taking. A sell on gold. This is more like 1:2.2 is to 1 ratio. So for example, if I'm risking $100, this trade will make me $200. Sure bro, thanks man. Appreciate it, my bro. So this is 1:2 restaurant trade. So yeah, whatever I'm risking, I'm aiming double of it. So yeah, let's go to USD JPY, USD JPY, USD JPY, USD JPY. Looking for buys. We already have a confirmation as well. Okay, so far the market is looking good today. So buys, then just gonna open my alert to check my possible targets, my take profits. For now, let me see. Yeah, I'm all gonna use one take profit on this one. It's a currency pair. I don't wanna hold my trades forever. It will take time for it to reach that target, so it's okay. So same thing, I already know where the market is heading. I'm looking for an entry now, right? So I can simply see that the market had a nice, strong support level here. It also gave us confirmation from the support. So even with this one, I'll just go ahead and execute my buys all the way to my target. My stop loss just below that support level. Then I had a clean 1:2.5 risk to my trade. Same thing. So for example, if let's say this trade I'm risking $100, then I'm gonna make like $250 if it hits my TP, and I'm risking $100. Same goes to here. So overall, it means that I'll be risking, if I'm risking $100 on each trade, it means that I'll be risking $200 on both again, gold and Euro USD, and then overall I'll be making plus minus $500. So these are the trades that I'll be taking today. So yeah, seems like everything is about to be in profit. Gold, we are in small profits. USD JPY also in our entries, so I just wanna execute the trades on my other account as well. So I'm done with the live trading. We took this sell on gold and currently see we're in profits. The market is moving quite slow. We also took this buy on USD JPY as well, but on my side I only hopped on the sell trade on gold. The reason being is because currency pairs moves like slow in a way, and currency pairs likes to consolidate a lot as well. So I wanted something that is volatile so that it will be more like in and out. I don't want to hold my trades for long. Like I said, I don't want to have stress of, oh, I have trades that are running this, that, nah. So I only hopped on a gold trade, and I don't think I'm even gonna hold it for that long. Even if like maybe it reaches somewhere here, I might just exit my trades and call it a day. Because honestly, I didn't want to trade today, but I ended up like hoping on this sell on gold because I saw a nice opportunity on gold. Okay, so like I said, I have some few runs to run. So yeah, now just wanna head out and yeah. problem is the lighting. The lighting is so bad. Like the lighting is so bad. I won't lie. So anyways guys, so I'm done at the mall. I'm done getting my hair cut. I'm done getting something to eat. So now I'm heading to the office because I want to shoot some content, right? So I'll go to the office, shoot some content, then yeah, I can call it a day. Then I'm done working for today. Let me just do this. Oops. I think now the lighting is much better. Hey, clean. You guys can see the haircut there. They messed up my hairline, but bro, it's okay. There's nothing I can do. So yeah, that's what I was saying, guys. So now I'm heading to the office. I wanna go to the office because I wanna shoot some content. Then I'll be done working for today. Oh, another thing, I have to go to Pretoria to fetch some merchandise. I'm still undecided if I should go today or go tomorrow. I'll see. But yeah, then from there later on, me and my bros are planning to go out for a dinner. So yeah, in fact, yeah, it's confirmed they're going for a dinner because I just made a reservation while I was cutting my hair. So yeah, I think that's it for today, guys. Make sure you stay tuned. Watch till the end. Watch till the end. And also let me know, guys, in the comment section what I must cover in the next video. But yeah, but so far I hope you guys are enjoying the video. You guys saw how I spend my morning because it's already in the afternoon. It's like 1 p.m. now. So I think I'll get to the office around 1:30. Then maybe spend an hour there. 2:30 I'll be done. Then like I said, I might go to PTA to fetch some merchandise and also fetch one of my pro that will be having the dinner with us. So yeah, so we'll see what is what. And then yeah, guys, make sure stay tuned. Then just that now I wanna focus on driving, but I wanna have a conversation with you guys. But yeah, I'll do that as soon as I'm settled. I don't wanna be busy on my phone while I'm driving. As soon as I fetch my bro, he'll be able to vlog me while I'm driving, you understand? So for now, safety first, guys. Make sure you stay tuned though. So I just landed in the office now, so what I'm about to do, just wanna show. Okay, so I just arrived at the office now, so just wanna shoot some content. That's all I wanted to do, honestly. That's the reason why I came to the office. I wanted to shoot some content here. And then yeah, that's the main thing, honestly. Then yeah, so let me just prepare, shoot the content, and yeah, so that I can see what's the way forward from here, because yeah, time is going, bro. It's already like 2 p.m, like 15 minutes to 2 p.m. So I need to finish at least here in like an hour. I must be done here, then see what I can do, if I'm gonna go to PTA or what, you understand? Because I also made a reservation of like 6:30 for that dinner I was telling you guys about. So I still have some time, but yeah, let me just start working on the content, and then yeah. And yeah, guys, I won't lie. Fun fact is that if you were to ask me, let's say 5 years ago, let's say 2020, in 2020, if you were to ask me where I see myself in the next 5 years, honestly, I was gonna mention like, or describe the life that I'm living now, to be honest. I was gonna mention everything that I have now. So I just realized now that I'm actually living my dream life back then. Like 5 years ago, I was dreaming of the life that I'm living now. And yeah, man, I'm grateful for that, I won't lie. I'm also grateful for the people who've been there with me on this journey, especially my family. Like, they've been supporting me, I won't lie. So yeah, man, like I was just sitting there thinking, man, actually like I'm living my dream life back then. But now I have bigger dreams than this. I still wanna achieve more things. I still wanna drive crazy cars, you understand? So but 5 years ago, trust me, I was gonna say I just need a German car, Just need an apartment in a nice place, Suntan, Bryanston, or Forex. Just want to drive, see myself driving maybe Mercedes, BMWs, which is the life that I'm living now. So, but like I said, as we grow, our dreams also grow. So now I have bigger plans, I have bigger dreams. But what is important is to stay grateful while you're still dreaming big. So yeah, man, I won't lie. So I'm super proud of myself as well. So yeah, anyways, let me finish up here so that I can go. So just finished refreshing and changing my clothes, so now I'm about to go out on a dinner with my bros. So I'm just waiting for one of my bros to pull up. I ended up like not going to PTA because of the traffic, so I was gonna be late for everything. So yeah, so let me just wait for the bros to pull up. Oh, another thing, guys, I think I'm gonna end up like requesting, because bro, my car is showing me flames. It's due for the changing of brake pads and other stuff. So I just hear some squeaky sound going on. So don't wanna risk it, guys. So I'm just gonna request Uber Black or something. Then we go there with the bros, and yeah, I'll decide. I'm still undecided.
So tell us what's the outfit of the day.
Outfit of the day, just keeping it like calm. So we are rocking Crystal Level Team, low spike, red bottoms. And then, yeah, today I took out the big boy, Hublot Gunev, Big Bang. Should I mention the prices? Nah, never mind. So the rest is just normal Sahara clothes. So yeah, just keep it calm, going for like gents, dinner nyana, so stay tuned.
Hey, we're gon' bust the capture sugar ground. I've been trying to reach out, but I heard you out of town. Heard you not around. Your retro hope be loud. Money over can get broken by pound. Who gon' bust it down? Who gon' bust it down? Who gon' bust it down? Tell me who gon' bust it down? 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 Tell me who gon' bust it down? Took so many losses, now I'm flooding my account. They try to link up with I'm out of bounds. I done seen the get schlepped on a round. Never chase it, too busy chasing millies. Shawty tryna trick and get it right, cause shit silly. He try to hit.
Here's an update of the trade that I took on gold. You can see my target 1 is already hit, take profit hit. It also went for my second take profit, but on my trade I only used this first target.